Hi everybody, welcome or welcome back if this is a return trip for you. My name is April and this is the Frugal Planner channel. Now what I'm doing, I have had a couple of requests. Ooh, that's gonna be a little loud. All right, so I have had a couple of requests or questions on how to keep your spiral notebook cover in good condition. And I had thought about it because I've never covered mine before. Like, this is how the notebook came. This is the cover it came with. But yeah, if you're packing it around in your bag or back and forth from school, it could totally like really get banged up. So they don't make necessarily covers for spiral notebooks. Excuse me. Sorry about that. So I was kind of just, what could you use? Well, I remember a lot of times at work, I would fake laminate something, and I've done this for different things. Hi, buddy. Different things that I thought, why couldn't I do that with a notebook? So this is just clear heavy-duty packing tape. There's nothing to it. It's just a clear packing tape. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to stretch this out. This does not. That is annoying. Why is it not? It's like it's stuck. It's like it is. Oh, sorry. I just hit the camera. Okay. So as straight as possible, I'm going to go at kind of an angle so I can see where I'm laying it down. And then the risk of getting bubbles is pretty high, but it's kind of like your cell phone screen. If you put it down and try to work those little bubbles out, and then I'm going to cut this edge. So let's pull. Is this supposed to come off? Maybe this is supposed to come off. I don't know. Probably not, but there we have it. All right, let's try this again. Let's see if we're gonna, okay, make it quick, like a Band-Aid. Just rip it off. It's really hard to see though where the seam is, and I guess it doesn't really matter if you give it overlapped. Like if you overlap the two pieces of tape, you might have like a thicker spot, but I think you'd rather have like an overlap than a space in between. I apologize for that being so loud. This is not a quiet project at all. All right, and rest that down gently. Got a little bubble, so I'm gonna try to raise it up. Perfect. I am wasting a lot of tape. I think if this wasn't my first time and I had done this before, this wouldn't be such a waste. Like I wouldn't be wasting so much tape on the edges, but since it is my first time and I'm first timing with you, first timing? That sounded weird, didn't it? All right. And I just kind of view it at an angle, like I'm just looking at it. I think if I were doing this and I wasn't on camera, it would be a little bit easier to see where I am laying down the tape, because I would be standing right on top of it instead of looking down at an angle. Because right now I'm looking at it this way instead of this way. So if you're going to do this, definitely do it so that you can stand over your notebook and really see where you're lining it up. Oh, that is just a loud noise, and I apologize. All right, so let's go ahead. I don't want it too much of an overlap, so let's go here. And then let's get, and I got this, gosh, I want to say, so we live in a really rural area, I don't have like a lot of shopping choices where, like, in my community, we have a Walmart, we have a Safeway, we have a Bi-Mart, and that's pretty much it. So you could pick this up pretty much anywhere. Bi-Mart, Walmart, Safeway probably even has it too. Just regular old packing tape. Now should have thought about this. Should have, but I didn't. That's all right. We learned together. I think some of the best things I've learned with you guys. So let's pop in here. I'm gonna grab my handy dandy scissors before I make too much of a mess of this. And I'm just gonna go in and like I said, I'm just gonna cut right up against the notebook. Concentration. Why is it that I can sing while I'm concentrating, but talking is like a challenge? A challenge. All right, so there's one side. Let's flip this baby over. Maybe I flip it over like this. This might be easier. I don't think that's gonna be easier. All right, hold on. Hold on. It's easier to cut it this way. And I'm just lining up my scissors with the edge of the notebook, trying really hard not to cut the actual notebook cover, just the tape. But if you get a tad bit of the notebook cover, not to worry. Like that. I got a little bit of it. That's okay. It is a-okay. And then this last little piece here. Cutting into the cover, I feel it. You can feel it. It goes from like a super smooth, silky cut to, I think you've cut the paper. All right, there we go. Let's see what this looks like. Flip this back over. You can definitely see the lines of where the tape overlaid, but I don't mind it. I don't mind it at all. It looks really clean. It looks like I've got a couple of bubbles in there, but I may be able to work them out. If I can't work them out, you can also puncture them with like a needle and work the air out that way. I don't know that that is going to bug me enough to grab a needle and pop it. That, and I don't have a needle at my desk. There's another one right here. Hear it? You can hear that one. So 2 air bubbles. Oh, 3. I saw one right there. Oh, I guess there's quite a few, but it doesn't, like, to feel it, it doesn't feel weird. It doesn't, the only thing that we've changed is really how the glare of it. And if you can see my lights, I apologize. You can really see the glare of the shininess now, but this really should help it hold up if you're tossing it in and out of things. And then we've got tape here. And if it gets too sticky for you, you could always run a piece of this over those 3 dots. We'll do that. I'm just gonna take, I don't know why it is so hard to do that. The other thing is if you keep your spiral notebook in a 3-ring binder, then you will not want to do this. You will want to punch those holes out so that it'll still fit. You won't want to cover them. All right. I know, quick tutorial video. Packing tape, the front of your notebook, bada bing, bada boom. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try this. And yeah, I'll meet you down there. I hope you have a great day. I love you. Bye.